You can believe what you want, but there are certain qualities of places that just exude spookiness and horror. I'm a believer that paranormal activity or ghosts are human created fiction, but the number of occurrences which are not scientifically backed and mysterious just make me wonder, what if? India is encompassed by superstitions and spirit stories, and here is Tried and Refused Productions discussing 10 most haunted places in India. Savoy Hotel, Mussoorie. Built in 1902, its story dates back to the year 1910, when Lady Garnet Orme was found dead under mysterious circumstances. It is believed that the hotel's corridors and halls are haunted. Hardly surprising when you model your entire hotel according to Agatha Christie's first novel, The Mysterious Affair at Style. Guests have noticed several inexplainable activities, and a lady's whispers have been recorded by the Indian Paranormal Society. Believe what you want. Fernhill Hotel, Ooty. Built in 1844, it was during the shooting of the Bollywood horror film Raz that this haunting took to fame. The story goes that one night on the shoot, choreographer Saroj Khan and a few dancers were awoken by a racket of what sounded like furniture being moved around in the room above them. They tried calling reception but only got a deadline. The next morning, they complained to the reception, only to have the receptionist escort them outside, pointing upward to show that there was no floor above. It is said that the hotel was once shut down due to the incidents of haunting. D'Souza Chawl in Mumbai. Located in the busy area of Mumbai, this chawl is like any other of the thousands of chawls in Amchi, Mumbai. Legend has it that this chawl had water shortage, so they made a well without any borders to safeguard anyone slipping in it. Tragedy eventually hit when a woman seeking for water late at night slipped, begged and screamed for people to help, but died. She presumably still stands there, in that same spot, harmless but appears. No records of drowning or the timeline at which it happened are mentioned, but the story still lingers on in this chawl. Dao Hills of Kharsang in West Bengal. Kharsang is a small hill station situated in the Darjeeling state of West Bengal. It has stories of murders and ghosts. According to local people, ghosts reside in the Victoria Boys High School. The Dao Hill forest near the school is an unquestionably tragic place. Huge numbers of people murdered in the forest. Naturally, it makes the forest horrifying. The road between Dow Hill Road and Forest Office is known as Death Road. On the road, some woodcutters on different times reported a blood-chilling experience. They saw a young headless boy walking on the road and disappearing into the trees. Agrasen Ki Baoli. It is a protected monument with a 60-meter long and 15-meter wide historical step well on Haley Road near Connaught Place, Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. The Baoli had water till recent times, but now it has dried up and one can see the bed of the reservoir full of bird feathers and droppings. The gradual increase in the gurgling sound of pigeons and squeaky chatter of bats echoing off the stone walls makes this place creepy. The fatal attraction of the mystic waters hypnotize people to their death by luring them to jump in the water. It is believed that the Baoli of the unseen used to call people to offer their lives and raise its water levels. Some believe that the haunted tales are a myth, while some claim to be eyewitness to these shocking occurrences. Alea Ghost Lights, West Bengal. Alea ghost lights in West Bengal are found in boglands, swamps and marshes. According to locals' belief, these lights are emanated from the stranded spirits of dead fishermen who lost their lives in these swamps. The fishermen community of the area have often spotted this ball of flickering light, and when approached, these lights are believed to drown people. It is considered to be one of the most haunted places in West Bengal and India. Dumbus Beach, Surat is a beach along the Arabian Sea located 21 kilometers southwest of Surat city in the Indian state of Gujarat. Majority of the stories circulated on the internet about missing people and paranormal activity are fabricated, but the certain eeriness of this beach exists due to Hindu bodies being buried near one of the 4 beaches and the appearance of orbs in photos generated from the location, hinting at paranormal activity. Shaniwar Wada Fort in Pune. Shaniwar Wada is a historical fort in Pune, Maharashtra. It was the seat of the Peshwas of the Maratha Empire until 1818, when the Peshwas lost control to the British East India Company after the Third Anglo-Maratha War. In 1773, Narayan Rao, who was the 5th and ruling Peshwa then, was murdered by guards on the order of his uncle, Raghunath Rao, and aunt Anandi Bai. A popular rumor says that Narayan Rao's ghost still calls for help on full moon nights. Various people working around the area have allegedly reported such cries. Sound of Kaka Mala Vachwa, Uncle Save Me by Narayan Rao Peshwa after his death. The Barrack Tunnel number 33 in Shimla. The Barrack Tunnel, with a length of 1143.61 meters, is the longest tunnel in the Kalka-Shimla railway. At a speed of 25 km per hour, trains take about 2.5 minutes to cross the tunnel. The Barrack Tunnel, which passes mostly through fissured sandstone, has a tragic tale associated with it during its construction. Colonel Barrog, to make construction faster for the tunnel, blasted from both ends of the mountain in order for the tunnel to meet in the center and become one stretch. But this plan failed miserably, leading to bureaucratic and political issues, eventually leading him to depression and committing suicide. After the death of Colonel Barrog, there were rumors of his ghost being seen lingering in the adjacent areas. It is said that many people saw the ghost of the colonel in and around the tunnel. People seem sure that the darkness of the tunnel contains something mysterious and eerie in its silence. The Bangarh Fort in Alwar. The Bangarh Fort is a 17th century fort built in Rajasthan. It is located on the border of the Siriska Reserve in the Aravalli range of hills in the Alwar district. It was built by Man Singh I for his younger brother Madho Singh I. No one is allowed to remain in the precincts of the fort at night, as per a notice board put up by the Archaeological Survey of India at the entrance. The stories that haunt the fort include a wizard who was adept in black magic and was mercilessly killed by his own magic in the quest to win the princess of Bangarh's heart. Before he died, he cursed the Bangarh would be destroyed soon and no one would be able to live within its precincts. The Mughals obliterated everything, and people believe the ghosts are in the fort are that of the princess and the wizard. Guys, I was just about to finish the video and do the outro, and something And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some great ideas for our channel. Thank you so much, guys, for 50,000 subscribers. I'm hugely indebted to you. Please support me by following me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.